We are now on the third official week of lockdown in the UK. Mr. B's bored, so he's trying to find things to do. We have a shower room for the guests halfway through behind that wall there, but we can't get all the tiles and things like that to complete the shower room, so Mr. B is diverting his attention elsewhere. Let me show you what we are doing in here. As I mentioned a couple of times in the past, we want to fit Cabrio windows in here. We're going to fit a wide Cabrio window in here to enjoy the amazing views we have to the front of the house. So at the moment, I have all this storage. I know, I'm very lucky. So I'm losing some of it. Mr. B is punching holes there to see what's going on and to create access. So we know we have to go right back to the edge of the roof. So obviously we don't have money to fit the Cabrio window. I don't think we would even be able to buy it right now, even if we had the money. They cost about £2,000, the one we want. But I don't think they are selling them either, so because of the lockdown. So what we're going to do while we are at home, twiddling our thumbs, is to remove the shelves, obviously, and break through that wall, what I believe is just a stud wall. Let's double check. Yeah, just a stud wall. Obviously there is support for the roof. So Mr. B will be working that out before we take any walls down, obviously. We cannot compromise the integrity of the roof support. So, but yes, at the moment we're going to be removing that over there. And then we'll just seal it all off and leave it ready for when we have the money for the Cabrio window. In the meantime, what has been until this morning a very clean, tidy, chill out room, this is now the way it looks. We now have 3 spare doors. That is from the cupboard here. So I want Mr. B to replace that ones for me. There's nothing wrong with that doors. It's just the amount of money it will cost me in paint to change the color. Might as well, Mr. B, fit that doors in there, cut to size and fit that doors in there for me. So 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Mr. B have been here all day. He's a happy bunny today because he's been destroying something and now he's knackered. So, as you can see, Mr. B will have to obviously close off that there, because that's my storage. And on this side, that will have to be closed off. And Mr. B will have to close off this bit here as well. He will just close that off if I open the door for you to see. So that is access to the eaves, like that we just exposed. So I have plenty of storage there that I don't usually use. But now that I lost 3 cupboards, I might. Mr. B has exposed as much as we could at this stage. As you can see, is a massive steel beam in here. It's sitting on that wall we already checked, and then another one starts that goes all the way to the end of the house. This is a very long house. This is just work that can be done, and as you know, as you've seen, has taken us all day to get to this stage. So if something can be done now, doesn't cost us any money. It's just demo, really. And that's it for now. To be continued. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will try to do as many as we can during this lockdown period to keep you guys busy doing something. We do the work, you guys watch the videos. Easy, really. And we will keep you updated with the progress. Thank you. Bye-bye.